Hey, I don't know if you heard, but Clark County, Washington just went into phase 2 of our lockdown. And that means the real estate world has changed. Well, give me just a minute and I'll tell you why that's good news times 2. Stick around. Moving into phase 2 means restrictions have loosened up for some of our favorite businesses. Personally, I can't wait to go see my barber. But hair and nail salons, restaurants and bars, and many of our other favorite businesses are now allowed to open up under social distancing guidelines. But things just got a whole lot easier for those wanting to buy or sell a home. With more choices in real estate right now, both buyers and sellers are the big winners. Sellers have more ways than ever to get their home shown, and they don't have to be as concerned as they were trying to sell their house during the early phases of COVID-19. And buyers, with more homes coming on the market, have more choices than ever. And mortgage rates are still ridiculously low. So as you see, the big winners are buyers and sellers. If you're even thinking about buying or selling a home in the next 6 months, you owe it to yourself to contact me. I'll make the process easy and safe for you. I will make my marketing and search skills work totally to your advantage. And as always, I will do my very best for you. But you must hurry. The summer season is almost here, and you don't want to lose out on the chance to get the very best deal for your home. Please come see why my customers love what I do for them. Contact me right away. I cannot wait to do the same great job for you. Thank you.